Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Semrush alerts for ranking drops in competitors, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Semrush alerts for ranking drops in competitors, begin by logging into your Semrush account. Once logged in, navigate to the Projects section on the dashboard. Select the project for which you want to set up alerts. In the project overview, look for the Positions Tracking tool. Click on Positions Tracking to open the settings. Here, you'll see an option labeled Alerts. Click on the Alerts tab to proceed. You will find options for different types of alerts, including ranking drops. Choose the alert type that suits your needs. For ranking drops, set a threshold percentage that triggers the alert. You can also specify the frequency of the alerts, such as daily or weekly. Next, scroll down to the Competitors section within the Alert settings. Enable alerts for competitor tracking by toggling on the relevant option. You may customize competitor alerts to notify you about their ranking changes. Provide an email address where you wish to receive these alerts. Double-check your settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Once satisfied, save your settings to activate the alerts. You'll now receive notifications for any ranking drops and competitor changes as specified. Make sure to check your email for confirmation of alert activation. Congratulations, you have successfully set up Semrush alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.